Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use the sum product formula. Well, what does the sum product formula do? To understand that, let's understand this example first. We have the name of the products mentioned over here, and these are the cost of those products, and these are the units sold. So, if I want to know what was the total value of sales for soap, then we will multiply 20 by 30, and we get 600, and so on and so forth. And the total value of the sales is 619244. To achieve this number, we had to multiply each of these things and then sum it up, right? But the sum product formula can do it in a single formula, which we got the result over here. See, 619244, 619244. How did we get it? Let me show you. So sum product is an array formula. So while we are applying it, there is a special trick to it, which you will see while we are applying it. So we type in sum product. What it does is returns the sum of the products of corresponding ranges or arrays. So it says array 1. This is our array 1. Comma, it says array 2. So select your array 2. So what it will do now, it will multiply this with this, this with this, this with this, this with this, and store them in memory, and ultimately give you a total of the sales figures. This with this is 600, this with this is 400. So it will store the 600 in memory, the 400 in memory, the 1064 in 100 in memory, the 5700 in memory, and then give you a total. Now that we have selected our arrays, we need to close this formula. To close this formula, you actually have to type in Control-Shift-Enter together. Because it's an array formula, you see these curly brackets, they have come in automatically because it is an array formula. So you get the answer sum product 619244, which is correct because I calculated the sum myself. This multiplied by this was 600, and so on and so forth. And the sum of this range is 619244. So this is how you use this sum product formula. See you in the next video.